So how's it going? Good? Okay, we are solving exponential equations, and they ask us to give an exact answer, which means stay off the calculators. Okay, so you're like, why'd you write the problem twice? I wrote it twice because depending upon the bases you have, you may not be able to do the one method I'm going to show you, which means you have to do the other method. So let me get started and show you what I mean. So over here, I'm asked to solve for x. And since it's an exponential equation, here's what I know. If I can get the base on the right to look like the base on the left, then this makes it a much simpler problem. So the base on the left is a 2. Can I rewrite 8 with a base of 2? Good, I heard you, 2 to the third. So I'm going to rewrite this line as 2 to the power of x minus 5 equals 2 to the power of 3. Now, since the bases are the same, this makes it so much simpler. Because to get rid of the base 2 so I can get to the x, what's the inverse of an exponential function? A log function, as long as they have the same base. So I'm going to take log base 2 on both sides. That's immediately going to cancel, which leaves me an x minus 5 equals 3. And quickly solving it gives me x equals 8. With me? Okay. This is one way of solving this. Now, this one. If my bases are not the same, or I can't get them the same, I'm going to have to go straight to taking the log of both sides. So we're going to do log base 2 on both sides. When I do that, I get x minus 5 equals log base 2 of 8. Then, to get the x by itself, you add the 5 to both sides. Good? Okay. Now, in this particular case, I can rewrite the 8. Log base 2 of 2 to the power of 3, 5 being added to the whole thing. Now, what's going to happen with a log base 2 and an exponential base 2? You're right, they're going to cancel, which leaves us 3 plus 5, which also gives us the answer of 8. Now, I showed you both methods for one reason. Sometimes I cannot get one of the bases to look like the other, which means I'm going to have to go straight to taking the log of both sides to get rid of that base so I can get to the x. Got it? And then there are other times where I can get the bases the same, take the log to get rid of them, and it's a much shorter problem. Cool? Okay, so I have some examples coming your way. Work on them before you find my answer key video. Have fun with this stuff. Catch you on the flip side.